We are coming to the speed at time distance last topic. The last concept we are going to discuss. Before discussing on the last topic, let me say once again the whole topics we have discussed. First one we are coming to speed is equal to distance by time. Conversion technique kilometer into meter per second is 5 by 18. Conversion meter per second into kilometer per hour is 18 by 5. As we know it is kilometer, we have to make it decrease. So it will come 5 will come always below. In meter per second, we have to increase the amount. So we have to divide by 18. It will give a big amount. So like that way you can remember those all things. Second point, when he have achieved a certain kilometer per speed on the first and the second two speeds are given, we have to find out the average speed. Then the formula becomes 2xy by x plus y. Third point was relating to first half he has traveled this speed, second half he has traveled this speed, and this both journey has been finished with these hours. How much distance they he traveled? Person has been traveled is a question. So 2 into time s1 into s2 divided by s1 plus s2. That is 2xy by x plus y is the same. There is only one thing is time is given. That is the only difference here you can see. In above we can see here xy is both speed. Here the both speed and plus time has been given. We can find the distance. In the case of P and Q at the same distance opposite direction from 2 points after passing in is they complete the journey. So here we know that opposite direction, a car or a bike or a cycle, whatever it may be, is for traveling from Srinagar to Nagpur. Both will have to opposite when they opposite direction they are traveling. When they pass each other, they complete their journey. So we have to find the speed of the second person in this case. We have given the time both cases 4 and 16. We know that we have to take root y by root x. That is 16 by 4 will be there. 4 by 2 is the answer equal to the first person is Suman and the second person is Raju. So like that we have to find out. Then the speed becomes like that 10 kilometers as we know. It's very simple. You have to remember this formula. Fifth one was that when he goes to office. When he is going in a office, he is traveling through a bus and return he is traveling through a auto. His speed is given. Both case the speed is given and the time has given. Speed time. Then we have to calculate it by. There is no two is has been applied. We have to apply only xy by x plus y t kilometers. We have to apply. That is thing has to be remember because we have to return. The man travel was at a rate of 45 kilometers, walk back at 25 kilometer whole journey. Took 10 hours. Find difference. It's simple. Second thing is we are coming to the usual speed has to, and he's become his usual speed becomes 20 minutes late. Find his usual speed to cover that distance. So how much distance, how much time his tag is actual late of time is included in that thing. You have to find out that one. So we have to find that. We have already discussed one thing is that when 1 is greater than means 5 by 3 minus 1 we have to take when 1 is less than. If it is greater than 1, 1 minus like that we have to take always 2 by 10. Always it will give 1 by 5. It is less than 1. Look, then the usual time taken is greater than 1. A by B is greater than 1. Then we have to take 1 minus like that. In this case, you should take is t is b by a minus so a b by a minus 1 is a by b is less than 1 is if it is a by b is less than 1 5 by 3 is definitely less than 1, so we have to take like that. Okay, I hope you understand the concept. Walking 10 by 2 of his usual speed, 10 by 2 is greater, 2 is 5 is greater than 1, absolutely, yeah. Like that we have to take. Seventh point was related to distance is always similar. That is why this is a formula is inversely proportional. Or inversely proportional this way. We have to match and understand the concept. Eighth one, traveling through a pole. The length of the distance traveled by the train is the length of the train. Oh my god, this is a simple concept. When the train passes opposite, we have to add. When it is same, you have to minus it. And this one is also simple one. When the boat trains travel and past each other. Then how much distance they have traveled from Delhi to Karnataka? As the question is asking, relating speed is adding. We are adding the speed. And a minus b we are on. We have doing a minus b into d distance in the difference of the distance we have to doing here. That will be becomes it's 175 kilometer. We have exactly clearly it has been written here. You can understand easily. No difficulties here. The last one we are going to discuss according to the ratio. When it comes in the ratio form, when two trains are in a ratio xy, they are moving in opposite direction on parallel tracks. The Aritz train crossed telegram pole in t1 seconds, whereas the second train crosses the pole in t2 seconds. Time taken by the t2 train to cross each other completely is t1x plus t2y by x plus y. Formula we have to by heart this formula. Okay. Speed of two trains are the ratio 7 is time moving in opposite direction along the parallel track in which takes 6 seconds to cross the pole. Find the time taken by the train to cross each other completely. So both have a particular pole is given. Both has to be clear the distance. No, one has to pass another distance. One has to pass another pole. So both two poles are there. They both has been cleared in same 6 seconds. They cross the pole. We know that the distance will be the no speed will be there somehow average, but we can't predict what will be there. So we are taking in this case, we have using this formula. Fine, we have given 7 by 9 is there, 6 seconds is there. Only these clues are there. So 7 is the ratio is given, which we have to take as x and y. So x will be this 7 by 7 into time 1 is 6 seconds, time 2 is 6 seconds, and there is one thing is there t1 t2, no nothing is there that like that is the only case is here discussing, and divided by 7, 7 plus 9, then we will get the correct answer of 5 seconds. 5 seconds it will take to cross completely the pole. This way we have to find each of the questions. I hope you understand this concept. Also there is two ratio is given, moving in opposite direction ratio is given, no parallel tracks we have given. The next is seconds we have given, it's they are crossing pole. When you hear this, use this formula and apply it. That is time ratio plus time into second ratio divided by x plus y ratio, both adding you will get the same. I hope you understand the video. Any doubt in speed, time, and distance, you can ask me. I will give you more clarity on the same by giving you the problems. Before giving problems, let me complete whole basic topics of this, where you have to apply this all concepts. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching my video.